We're going to be focusing this week on Whitehead's Process and Reality, which is his long technical tome on metaphysics. A number of the 19th century idealists and their successors that we can be thought of as evolutionary idealists. Yes, they buy into the theory of evolution. Natural selection, if you like, or various other forms of the theory of evolution. But they're not philosophical naturalists, metaphysical naturalists. They're idealists. So that evolutionary theory is compatible with naturalism, compatible with idealism, according to these people. And their point is that while the underlying reality is of the nature of spirit, absolute spirit in the case of Hegel, there are various degrees to which that immaterial, free, creative spirit is being fully manifested in the phenomena of nature and human existence and human history. So that the evolutionary process, biological evolution, cultural evolution, the overall evolutionary process is understood in terms of the dialectical unfolding of the absolute, you see, to a point where that freedom of spirit becomes self-conscious rather than just implicit but unconscious.